Know your customer, Part 1. What type of business is your customer? For example, a limited company. A limited company is a type of business structure where the company has a legal identity of its own, separate from its owner and its managers. A partnership. A partnership is a formal arrangement by two or more parties to manage and operate a business and share its profits. A sole trader. A sole trader is a self-employed person who owns and runs their own business as an individual. Once you know your customer, do your research. Can your customer pay? If your customer is a company, check Companies House. Have a real nosy. Get a credit report. Is your customer high risk? Any CCJs? How well did your customer do last year? If your customer is already in debt, it probably can't pay you. Concerned about unpaid invoices? Find other potential blockages in your business. Try our free cash flow calculator. What have you got to lose? Visit johnsonmay.com/invoices.